Loreena. She's the owner of Loreena's Delight, a restaurant and bar in Georgetown. Loreena's sad because her business has not grown as she'd like. So she decided to use Computing Core's touchscreen restaurant and bar software system. She heard about it from her friend Mike, whose restaurant grew significantly over the past year. This POS system is affordable, easy to use, and saves time. Some of the features include fully responsive with image buttons, express billing for quick sales, phone and takeaway order system, table management system for fine dining restaurants, kitchen ticket order system, bump screen for kitchen staff, and partial ticket payment or settlement. Hold up, there's more. Because we write our own software, we can customize or custom build any report and or add a feature for you. In just a few months, Loreena's business reached new heights. The software helped her to manage all transactions more effectively, which in turn made her customers even happier. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today. Call 592-600-1096 or visit our Facebook page for more information.